gosh. Tiara. This is so... Yeah, her package... Jace, don't call for my video, please. Let me do it this way. The box is dirty, but... My gosh. Tiara. This is so... Yeah, her package... Jace, don't call for my video, please. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so I had to do a little voiceover for this part because it was too loud in the background. But these are so cute. Diara, you did that with the packaging, girl. And I had to get these because they were pink. And at the time, there was only 3 pairs of shades available. So these are one of them. And look at how gorgeous they are. I'm going to insert a picture of me wearing these on vacation.
from the thing them call a broken heart. This blessed love will never part. You don't know it from the start. But tell them say I'm dirty, yeah. A Sean Paul and Sasha.
Make me holler, you make me sweat. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I just say dirty, dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. That's a dirty, dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, they try to understand that the man is just a man. That's a dirty, dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Because you know we're at the bar. That's the way I give my love.
I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in love.
What a man gotta do, what a man gotta do. Girl, when I ever have a promise and I'm bling bling for all a girl. When I just love it when me fling fling control a girl. I'll make your head so.
Hey guys, so they have a sale right now, so you'll be paying less than what I paid. So take advantage of the sale. It was worth the coin. See you in the next vlog. Bye.